how to put your PS4 account on your PS5 just within some seconds on your mobile phone. Pretty much all you need to do on the PlayStation 5 to bring over your PSN account is login. You can do this by entering your PSN username and password. Or you can simply make use of Sony's recently revamped PlayStation app. Just download the app onto a smartphone or tablet, log in using your credentials, and hit the sign in on PS5. Your PS5 will provide you a QR code that you can send and then log in instantly with it. Now, what you mainly have to do is simply I will let you know the steps. Don't create a new account for a new name. This might be obvious, but you don't need to create a PSN account to change your online ID. Doing so will lock you out of the content stored on your existing PSN, such as games and content purchases. Instead, you can edit your online ID just like you can on PS4. So this is how you can simply do it, or transfer the data or put your ID. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel and please hit the bell icon for watching more updates like this.